Hi guys, today is a very tiring day. I've got a lot of schedules, I've got a lot of extracurricular, and guess what? It's a wrap! I've done all of it, and now I'm going to my room in the dorm. I'm going to my room, I'm going to sleep, I'm going to take a rest!
What you doing?
I'm so sorry. I want a dead cockroach. Please, it's so disgusting.
It's my fault.
No,
It's not
I'm
yours.
sorry.
One type of insect that is often found around us or residents is cockroaches, especially during the rainy season like this, due to make high environmental humidity. So, the National Pest Management Association states that cockroaches can cause allergic reactions and asthma attacks and carry other potential serious health hazards. Cockroaches act as vectors for the spread of various disease organisms, including bacteria that cause food poisoning. The ability of cockroaches to spread a wide range of bacteria, 6 parasitic worms, and at least 7 other pathogens to humans make them a significant potential source of infection.
I think we have to make something to repel this problem, aren't we?
Yeah, everyone make an insecticide, at least make it natural.
That's a very good idea of you.
I know, I'm a smart.
Okay, smart girl, let us go on.
Me, Azalia, Kusuma, Ratu, and Nagita, Puspa. We're ready to make it real.
So for this experiment, we use the lime peel waste as the main ingredient. The lime peel waste contains vitamins, amino acids, steroids, alkaloids, limonins, flavonoids, and saponin. Alkaloid and monoids can be dangerous to insects by inhibiting the acetylcholinesterase enzyme, thereby disrupting the central nervous system, and can degrade the egg membrane to enter the cell and damage the gametes.
Separating the peel from the rest of the lime, namely the albedo, can accelerate the drying process. Cut the peels into smaller pieces and then place them on a flat medium. With pandan leaves obtained at the house of residents around MEPS, we washed and separated the leaves from the leaf buds. Then, we cut them into smaller pieces and placed them on a flat media as well. It took 3 days to get the appropriate level of drying.
In the study, the extraction of liquid ingredients was carried out through the maceration method. This is a technique that is carried out at the room temperature without heating. This method utilizes repeated stirring or shaking to accelerate the sample extraction. The advantage of maceration method are its ease of fermentation and the absence of heating, which reduce the risk of damage or the degradation of the natural material. And then we put the extraction into a rotary evaporator. The pure extraction that have been evaporated in the rotary evaporator produce viscous extract within the level of 20 milliliters for lime and 40 milliliters for pandan.
We did a phytochemicals test in order to know the main compound included in it.
And here we got the results of the phytochemical test we did before. The solvent evaporation process using a rotary evaporator and phytochemical tests were held in the Integrated Chemical Laboratory of Walisonga State Islamic University in Semarang. Before the application to cockroaches, the extract needs to be diluted first to get our obtained concentration, which is 5%, 10%, and 20%. The preparation of this natural insecticide was conducted by providing 3 beakers and adding several ingredients, including extracts addition based on specific concentration, 96% ethanol as solvent, 5 grams of carbopol or carbomer, and 10% glycerin as gelling agent. The mixture was then stirred until homogeneous and thick. The treatment was given by placing a rectangular silver paper weighing 2.73 grams on a plastic cup. 10 grams of liquid and biscuit pieces were placed on the paper and then covered with perforated wrap paper. The aim was to provide air and nutrients to the cockroach so it wouldn't affect the treatment results. The cockroaches were then put into plastic cups of 3 each so that the total for the experiment was 24 cockroaches. During the test, the cockroaches were controlled by time duration, for example 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 60 minutes. The percentage of cockroach mortality showed different results due to different time of exposure and different concentration. Here we got the table of it. And the highest mortality was at 20% concentration within an hour, with a percentage reaching 83.33%. After that, we ran an organoleptic test for 10 students in Mecca. The average score given by the 10 test takers was 73.2% and is included in the good category or feasible to use in a small-scale revisions. So here we are in the end of the video. I would like to give you some conclusions about this. First, leachate is made from several treatments, start from taking materials from lime peels and pandanus leaves, extracting them with maceration method, evaporating the solvent in a rotary evaporator, and then we did some phytochemical test screening analysis, and then we made the packaging of leachate before the anti-cockroach test, and then we did some small-scale tests until it becomes a leachate product that is suitable for everyday use. Secondly, the results of anti-cockroach tests can prove the initial hypothesis that a mixture of lime peel waste and fragrant pandan leaves as an insecticide formula is able to repel cockroach effectively, and it's known that the concentration of lime peel and pandan extract is effective at the level of 20% within the exposure duration of 16 minutes.
So this problem has solved, right?
Yeah, who knows, this tiny little thing made of pandan leaves and lime peels can solve anything.
Who knows? So we're done.
Yeah, thanks for watching and see ya!